You are welcome back to this wonderful training where I will be showing you how you can use your phone to publish books on Amazon. Where you use your phone, you don't have to worry about laptop. So I told you in the previous video that you have to get some tools to make your work easier. So I will be showing you those tools that you need to have access to. Number one tools that you need to have access to is a particular browser that I use, and I would like you to get that browser too. The second one is Google Doc. You have to get Google Documents. So I'll be showing you the browser right now. Go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, Google Play Store. Where is it? Google Play Store. Then on your Play Store, sorry, I'm going to Google Play Store. Yeah, go to your Google Play Store. When you get to your Google Play Store, just search for Kiwi Browser. Kiwi Browser. Okay, this is it. Kiwi Browser. Then you download the Kiwi Browser. I already have this browser on my phone. That's why it's bringing open instead of install. If you don't have it on your phone, you will see install on it. So all you have to do is just install the browser on your phone. This particular browser is very, very good to use as a tool for KDP publishing. The next tool or app that you need to get on your phone for this course is Google Doc. Google Doc. Just type Doc. Google Doc. Yeah. Google Doc. Google Docs. So this is right here. It's because I also have it on my phone. That's why it's bringing open. If you don't have it on your phone, just install it right away, and it will be installed on your phone. These are the two apps that I recommend for you to get. If you don't have this app on your phone, do it right now. So I'll be showing you how to use those apps as a tools for your KDP book publishing. So go to your Play Store, download the Kiwi browser. I highly recommend the browser. It doesn't matter if you have Chrome on your phone. It doesn't matter whether you have Opera Mini, any browser you have. If it is not Kiwi browser, go to Google Play Store, download Kiwi browser. Then after that, you download Google Doc if you don't have it on your phone. And if you have it on your phone, update it to the latest version. Yes, update it to the latest version. And the next video, I will show you how to upgrade those apps. This is where this course is getting to practical. We are starting the practical aspects from the next video. So if you are not serious about this course, this is the time you get serious. So I don't want you to miss any aspect, because everything is very, very important. You won't want to miss any important information. You won't want to miss any information because they are very, very important. And if you miss one particular information, to get to the next step will be very, very difficult. So I want you to pay attention to this training. If you are kind of busy, you can pause it and watch later, because you have access to it. So see you in the next video where I'll be showing you how to use those tools and how you can open a KDP, Amazon KDP publishing account, and how you will open an account to receive payments on Amazon. So see you in the next video.